Here is your first look at the ADIDAS Ultra Boost 4D in the triple black colorway. Pretty nice. Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing a slightly delayed unboxing. So I purchased these quite a while ago, but never really got round to wearing them. So today is that day where I'm going to unbox them, try them out, and let you know what I think of these. So, as you can see by the box, this is an ADIDAS 4D model, and it is the Ultra Boost 4D in the triple black colorway. And in my opinion, this colorway is incredibly clean. So the label says Ultra 4D 5.0 and the color code is G58160. Here's a quick look at the label. Don't know if you can see that, but label's not too important. I got these in a true to size 9. Normally I'm a 9.5 in ADIDAS, but in the last 4D model that I purchased, the 9.5 was slightly too big, so I decided to go for a 9 for these, and I'll let you know how they fit. So we'll open it up. It is a full slide out box with the ADIDAS 4D print on the top, which actually looks pretty subtle and nice. It's just an all black box. Yes, nothing to complain about here. But open it up, have the paper, open it up. Here is your first look at the ADIDAS Ultra Boost 4D in the triple black colorway. Pretty nice. So just like on the new Yeezy models, the ADIDAS tags are attached with this wooden kind of string-like material. Don't know if they're trying to cut down their plastic consumption, even though they've made a whole sole out of rubberized plastic. Well, probably should have looked up what that material was, but to me it looks like plastic, so don't really know how that works, but there we go. So this is one of the newest models of the Ultra Boost with the 4D sole. And I'm actually a really big fan of the upper prime knit material. So I haven't purchased an Ultra Boost in a long time. I think the last one I purchased was this one. And this is my favourite Ultra Boost of all time, and it is that kind of cream, I think it's a 1.0? Cream 1.0 Ultra Boost, and it's my favourite Ultra Boost ever. Honestly, this probably might be up there with one of my favourite shoes ever. That's how good I think this shoe is. But I haven't purchased one since then. And then thought these triple black, can wear these every single day. Yeah, big fan of these. Might try running in them, don't know. I have seen some reviews that they are pretty good for running. They're not quite as comfy as an Ultra Boost, but I will get into the wear test later on and let you know what I think of these. So in terms of styling, upper prime knit has a completely different pattern to what it's used to, which actually I think looks really good. The prime knit is made up of a mixture of greys, blacks, and even a slight hint of dark green. I think it works really well together. And the plastic cage going on the outer side and across the heel cups is in that black once again, which just kind of gives it a stealth look, if that's what it's called. But really nice, good colorway. Big fan of these. If you take a look at the tread on the bottom, has quite a lot of grip to it. It isn't an entirely black sole. I would say it's more of a grey sole to it, but you're never really going to see this after you wear it. And I think that honeycomb 4D material on the side actually gives this shoe a really good look. I don't know if it would have looked as good with just a black Boost, but with that 4D honeycomb, I think it is a very aesthetically pleasing shoe. So we're now pretty much going to get into the wear test. I'm not a big wear test kind of person, so please bear with me. I will try my best to give you my opinion on the shoe. So from wearing the shoe for a number of days, I can say that maybe I should have gone up half a size. It is quite a tight fit, but it isn't too bad. I think it's because this one did come with an insole compared to the last 4D model, which didn't come with an insole, which I purchased. In terms of comfort, Ultra Boost once again is far more comfortable, but in durability, these are very good indeed. I've worn these pretty much non-stop for the last 3 days, and there's no sign of wear at all on the sole. It seems to be standing up very well. I even tried running in these, and once again, they held up very well indeed. To be honest, I have absolutely nothing bad to say about this shoe. The 4D material cushions well while walking, does offer a little bit of support, and in a way it rocks your foot to make you want to walk. I know that sounds absolutely crazy, but if you put these on, you'll totally understand. It's a weird sensation when you first walk in a 4D shoe. It's not like anything you've ever probably walked in before, but once you get used to it, it's absolutely fine and probably a really good shoe for a daily wearer. These used to be incredibly expensive. I remember when 4D soles used to go for maybe £400, but obviously Adidas has worked on their manufacturing and made these much more affordable. So now you can pick up a pair for maybe even under retail for this one. This one was £180, I paid retail, but I actually think it might be going for under retail now. So if you fancy picking it up, I actually would suggest you do. Really nice shoe. I've probably said nice about 100 times in this video, but I apologise for that. But yeah, nothing bad to say about this shoe. If I'm going to give it a rating, I'd probably say a 7 out of 10. It doesn't give me that spark in terms of a shoe, but an everyday wearer, you cannot really go wrong. And yeah, it's one I'll definitely keep in my collection. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you have a great day. But in the last 4D pair that I got, they were slightly too big. But in the last, I cannot speak today. But in the last, I just messed up again. The upper prime knit once again has a different upper prime knit. So the upper prime knit, I'm just messing this up every time.